Want to use your Red Pocket phone with another carrier? Good news. As of 2025, unlocking your Red Pocket phone is easier than ever. This section explains the key eligibility requirements. First, the phone must be paid off completely, with no outstanding balance. Next, it needs to have been active on a Red Pocket plan for at least 12 months. However, if your phone was launched after 2022, this period is reduced to just 6 months. Finally, the phone cannot be reported as lost or stolen. It's also important to note that only phones sold or subsidized by Red Pocket are eligible for unlocking. If you brought your own unlocked phone to Red Pocket, it cannot be unlocked through their system. Unlocking is always free and doesn't void your warranty, but remember, it only allows you to use compatible networks, typically Verizon or AT&T, depending on the original network the Red Pocket phone used. Start by confirming you meet all the eligibility requirements we just covered. Then, find your phone's IMEI number. You can usually find this in your phone's settings under About Phone or by dialing 6. You'll also need your Red Pocket account number handy. Next, submit an unlock request. The easiest way is through Red Pocket's online portal at redpocket.com/unlock or via their app. You can also contact customer support at 1-888-993-7729. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation. Red Pocket aims to respond within 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, you'll receive instructions to complete the unlock, often involving inserting a new SIM card from your desired carrier. Finally, test the unlock by making a call or using data with the new SIM. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Red Pocket support for assistance. Avoid third-party unlocking services, as they can void your warranty or introduce security risks. Sticking to Red Pocket's official channels is always the safest option.